Muriel Bingham, SPCE619, Section 822, Dr. Diana Wilson, September 3rd, 2024. Delivery of information in a public forum for the purpose of either better informing that audience or providing a call to action. Public statement. Public statement. Behavior analysts work with clients in a way that minimizes harm and they use least restrictive practice. Use of least restrictive, minimizing risk of behavior. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, law enacted in August 1996 that issued privacy regulation governing individually identified health information, HIPAA. Behavior analysts participate in professional development activities such as attending conferences, taking coursework, maintaining competence. Behavior analysts should avoid multiple relationships which occur when a BCBA simultaneously has a behavior analytic and a non-behavior analytic relationship with the clients, multiple relationship. Behavior analysts make effort to have a plan in place to ensure the supervisor will receive continuity of supervision in the event of termination, appropriately terminating supervision. Time. All right. The ability of a client to understand the risk benefits of a particular treatment and alternatives to the proposed treatment, including the option of no treatment, the right for treatment, medical decision-making capacity. Behavior analysts must provide informed assent from clients before research and provide clients with autonomy to discontinue research at any point without penalty. Informed consent in research, and incompatibility between a behavior analyst private and professional interests resulting in risk or potential risk to services provided to or the professional relationship with the client, stakeholder, supervisor, trainee, or research participant. Thus, conflict of interest. Behavior analysts actively engage in professional development activities to maintain and further their professional competence, maintaining competence. 4 foundational ethical principles that all behavior analysts should exemplify: benefit others and do not harm, treat others with compassion, dignity, and respect, behave with integrity, ensure competence. Foundational principle. Behavior analysts communicate at the beginning of their relationship that they must refrain from giving or accepting gifts for more than $10 from clients, stakeholders, supervisors, or trainees. Giving and receiving gift. Family Educational Right and Privacy Act, federal law that protects the privacy of student education records and give parents and eligible students certain rights. FERPA. Behavior analysts discuss limits of confidentiality at the beginning of their professional relationship and when information disclosure are required. Defining scope of services, limitation of confidentiality. Behavior analysts define and document their role in writing before providing services. Defining roles, practicing with a defined role. An individual appointed by the court to represent the best interests of a minor child in legal proceedings such as custody, guardian ad litem. Behavior analysts must stay culturally responsive by engaging in professional development that challenges their own biases and meets the unique needs of their clients. Personal bias, cultural responsiveness, and diversity. Behavior analysts must be cognizant of how the environment is affecting clients and modify the condition when necessary for their client's best interest. Right to pass. addressing condition interfering with service delivery. Behavior analysts put their clients first and make sure they are safe by knowing and complying with laws and regulations surrounding mandated reporting. Pass. Responsibility to clients. Behavior analysts reflect on their personal biases and challenges so they do not interfere with their work personal bias. Awareness of personal biases and challenges. There are ethical concerns about some practices within ABA, such as the use of aversive techniques and the potential for coercion. Critics argue that this practice may be harmful, violate the principle of respect and dignity. Some say that ABA therapy can restrict children's autonomy and prevent them from pursuing their own interest. Criticism of ABA. Ethical concern, criticism of ABA. The professional activities a behavior analyst can consistently perform with proficiency. Scope of competence. Behavior analysts refrain from seeking testimonial from current clients or stakeholders for advertising purposes to avoid undue influence, except for unsolicited reviews on external websites, which should not be used or shared by other behavior analysts. Seeking testimonial from current clients for advertising, soliciting. Behavior analysts differentiate and clearly label non-behavioral services from their behavioral services, including a disclaimer stating that non-behavioral interventions are not covered by the BACB certification. Advertising non-behavioral services. Behavior analysts refrain from discrimination and act equitably towards all cultures and identities. Non-discrimination. Behavior analysts ensure that they only accept clients whose requested services align with their recognized expertise and available resources, and if they accept clients outside of the scope, they engage in necessary discussion and documents their action and outcome. Accepted clients. Behavior analysts take ownership for their action by following through on work commitment and correcting errors when they cannot be met by doing what is in the best interest of the client and relevant parties. Accountability. Court ruling that place limitation on the duration and condition of timeout. Hancock versus Avery, 1972. Hancock, 1996. Hancock versus Avery, 1996. Behavior analysts must act truthfully and provide accurate information. Being truthful. A process for determining the potential risk of benefits of a procedure should conclude with more potential benefits to the client. Risk-benefit analysis.